Welcome to Digital RK. Here I'm going to talk about digital marketing, web designing, graphic designing and how to videos. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to add a table of content in your WordPress post. That is, on your website, we are going to see how to insert a table of content to your blog post. Many of them who doesn't know the significance of table of content, how it helps the visitors and what are all the benefits you get from all that. So my name is Nandakishore and you are watching Digital RK YouTube channel. So let's get started. Guys, as you can see, I have opened my website digitalrnk.com. So this website is under construction, but I have written some articles on YouTube. So click on this article and scroll a little down and you can see this section. I have added a table of content here. So these texts you see here indicate my headings, and let's talk about the benefits of this table of content, how it's going to help your visitors. For instance, you have come to my website to read this particular article and you just wanted to read only this section, how to create a YouTube channel and make money. Click this and it will take you to this particular section. By this feature, you are helping your visitors to save time, and whichever section or heading they wanted to read, they can easily navigate. Let's say if you want to navigate to the heading, how to enable monetization on YouTube. Just click and immediately it will take you to that section. This feature is most useful when you have a lengthier article, say 4,000, 5,000 words article. It helps your visitors to quickly navigate from one section to another. This way it's going to help your visitor. Now let's see how the table of content is going to help you. Table of content has got a significant role in your SEO. For many websites, you might have noticed on the search engine results page, it shows site links below the description just like this. So what is happening here is, along with your website, these links also got indexed by search engines, and also when a visitor clicks on those links, directly they will go to that section. And from this, you are also increasing the traffic to your website. So I hope you guys can understand the benefits of the table of content. Here I am suggesting you to install a table of content in each blog post. Here you are not going to lose anything, rather you'll be benefited from this. Okay, we are going to use a plugin to create a table of content, which is safe and recommended plugin out there. Always it is recommended to install the plugins which are updated regularly so that you won't face any issues later on. Alright, let's head over to my WordPress dashboard, and from here you want to go to plugins, add new, and in the search box type in the lucky WP table of content and make sure to install this one. It has over 70,000 plus active installations. Click on install now. Once installed, click activate. Now click on settings. So the first thing you have to do is click on auto insert and check this box to enable auto insert table of contents. And where do you want to show? I'll choose before the first heading and on every new post. Click on save. Go to general. Here we have the minimal count of headings, which means you are telling this plugin that if the count of headings is lesser than 1, then the table of contents will not be displayed. After that, enable this hierarchical view. Your headings will be displayed one after another. It's recommended to keep the same settings. And then numeration, I'll just leave it as it is, decimal numbers. Numeration suffix, I'll go with the dot. Now you have to provide what title you want to give to your table of content. So I'll name it the table of contents itself. Enable this toggle show or hide option, which allows your readers to show or hide the table of content. Enable smooth scroll and click on save. Now I'll open my blog post and let me go to this one. Here, how to create a YouTube channel comprehensive guide 2021. If I scroll a little down, there we go. As you can see, we have successfully added our table of content to our new post. Now I'll show you how to change the appearance of this, like the font color, background and link. Go to the appearance tab. Here you have the width option. By default it is set to auto. I'm going to choose full width. Float option, I'm going to choose center. Title font weight, I'll keep it heavy. The color scheme is gonna choose dark colors. You can go with your choice. You can set the individual colors for the background, border, title, links. I'm gonna make it light gray for the background. Link color, I'll pick blue. Link hover color, I'm gonna keep it spring green. Once it's done, click Save Changes. Let's go back to my blog post page and click refresh. So it has been updated. It needs some minor changes, definitely. I'll just go back to settings and change the value to 20 pixels for the font title and 20 pixels for items font size, and click Save Changes. So these are the important settings you should know. Don't need to change any other settings, just leave it as it is. So that's how you can insert the table of contents to any blog post automatically. That's it guys, hope you have found this video useful. Please give a like and share it with your friends and family so that it reaches maximum people who are looking for this solution. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing to Digital RNK and turn on the notification bell to all, so that the latest and useful videos will be notified to you. Also, for more updates, visit my website digitalrnk.com and follow my social media channels as well. Links are in the description box below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next informative video. Peace out.